but any man must know. Say, it is so now, any man, fit marry any man, you just need to teach your woman how they cook that nyama. If you teach your woman how they cook nyama, also other person wey dey cook nyama, teach her how to cook nyama, the thing go pass for the way the thing go pass, and countryman, countrywoman, it go pass fine. Countryman, countrywoman, we'll study story now to wait. This story will come up for that side, for Ngwakere, for Yaoundé. The thing pass now over the weekend. What happen for day? Now the question that way, and also now the ask am. Some papa, in a friend, they start getting small wahala. They query. That man query in a neighbor. Query. In neighbor, now you word them. He too now you neighbor word. He never throw he talk. He too throw he never talk. He never throw he talk. He throw he never talk. Then he never talk now go reach to play with a hottie. They be there now for bar. They there for bar. The man now come up for that bar. Come in house. Go take knife. Enter that neighbor he has. They find the 3 pikin them for quarrel them one time. As he come, pikin for 8 years and 9 years they run. They go lock themselves inside room. The one for 6 years, it be the chubby pinga with the chocolate. It dey na for outside countryman, it be dey na for parlor. Now so the man reach, he cut the hand first, and then he cut the throat. He try to open that door, not open. He start holla. He start don't can't find that in 3, I don't see na only one. Now what did happen? I find in 3, I don't see na only one. Now so neighbor them komot. Neighbor them. They nagi le bad beep. Apum. As so they talk now, so it is for hospital for coma. That means say that kind of way, you know the shake. You dey for one place, you don't even know they pinch you don't know. It is for coma state, as so they talk so. Now after, we can discover say the papa na papa for that girl where they sing. It is rap too. Where they call it say Lidol. If you fait bien à l'idole la slameuse, nan à l'idole, simply l'idole. What happen for papa for l'idole, it act for that kind of way. Now the question that way, all we the ask am. Now what if you push papa, you query with your man, your fellow man pikin. Instead of fix the matter with your man pikin, if you want fight it, you fight it, you na fight. But you leave it for bar. You take your food, parang. You go now for house. You go take knife. Go for your house for quarrel or you picking them. I don't know what the man tell Lido papa. I don't know. But I don't think say anything where if he there for some level where you talk with your friend, your brother or your neighbor, on the query, he go reach for go take knife, for go kill picking them. For go kill all you picking them. Because at the thing that way, it day. If you want surely quarrel all the man picking them. So that question would ask him. Now question we no figure answer now. But sometimes if you help, the way the thing will go help say it get better. Sometimes after that, it will tell people them exactly which way that man be tell you for that bar where he prompt you say, may go for that man house with a knife for go chuki picking them, quarrel them all. Now way it be very terrible. And that artisanal idol, it is under serious pressure. Coach them people that they attack you, and the other one that they try to talk say no, they not supposed to attack you because nobody naive. It be papa. If papa do na which way papa do, Lido a hand no dey for which papa do. Lido na big girl. If papa na mature person, the two way papa do no be na fighting. So no man, no they will supposed to give support. That kind of two way demand do so. So the wait. When time go come, they go tell we police go do their investigation, and then they go tell we exactly what happened, how it pass, why he do a papa, he take knife, he go choke person, he quarrel countrywoman. Another matter day, Tori day. Now what be the Tori? That girl where they call you say, that woman where they call you say Clarence Younger, where get a platform, a media platform where they call her say Griot. What happen with ye? Clarence Younger. No be that he don't go Yaoundé for go knock Tori for some seminar. He don't present, he talk for the team pass fine. As the team pass for the way the team pass, he return back now for Douala. What happen? Countryman, before I want to tell you what happen, we congratulate Griot because they don't get plenty prize them. 3 prize where they don't get best talent Cameroon. They get that Martinez Ogui prize, and they get some other one way. I don't know how they call it for strong grammar, but if you see I'm gonna go know. They say they call it say pre-Sinasius 2025. So say congratulations for you. And then they be specialized for woman matter. Any story will concern woman, Griot, it. But the question what we ask and I say, what the Griot if you don't do? So they go to some place where they can't broke the office, thief a laptop them. And then, unfortunately for the thief people where they come, or the thief man where he can broke the door for office for Griot for acquire, camera be dede. Camera snap all your movement. If the one broke door for go enter office for Griot, he come back, he answer call, he enter go broker, he enter inside, charge them, tomorrow back, call. Or they call you the explainer for them. It shows say now some people them they don't surely send me for mission. Now they think that because even though in a mission, like for the enter for go take computer, laptop them, he see microphone, he leave them, he see the one he leave them, he find a phone, he check out for inside, he go for laptop, check and first, and then come over outside, talk for phone, enter back, talk for phone, plenty time. As I tell you now, so countrywoman, the matter they for Janjameri their hand. They for Janjameri their hand now, so and then all I know if you advise Clarence Younger, say me go for police, me go to for police, for judicial police, so that me the inquiry go before fast for know exactly who they behind this thing. Maybe not the first time he complained say some few months back for his house. They become boss ceiling, they no thief, no nothing. This time around, they can't broke door for your office, they take 2 laptops, they be dead with the 50 farm, they not thief farm. So it shows say, now some people the way surely they follow it. But now gendarme, when a judicial police open for day, now they go tell you exactly what the pass with that matter. Whether they go feed make out the person waiting for that video because it been for night, so that may the poor hand for you, may explain for people them, wait see happen, and why they can't broke office, why they go broke house for Clarence, why they threaten me seriously. Because the matter don't pass place. Plenty people they call question. He must go for court, he must court book for court against X. Because it be very important. Man no know before the thing will happen, figure happen. So if I say may enter for quick action. Another Tory day. This time around, countrywoman, na bamangulung bete. People the way their own power. It come on only for Nnanga them. You get Nnanga, where you go Tory, you see so. You say, Chéri Coco, je t'aime de toi. You say, no, yes, you did the milk for my life. You did the honey for my life. They want to see you. If they mean that you day together, I will be a fulfilled person. I think say, with some very fine person, you will do this and that, you will do that and this. You talk, the guy will say, my reason. It turn. After I say yes, you be glad, say, at last, I don't give Nnanga. Now my woman that. I go marry to you, I go do this with you. You will claim table, all that kind of thing, because, and a pleasure too. That way you do in a year. You instead transform your woman for punching back. That means say anytime we matter day, pum. Before you want married or before you want go, you don't know say thing and they will not go be okay with them. Quite if he be wait for Josh that kind of thing day for come over for house when the query don't start. You start the knock 'em. This time so countryman. Man pikin the way they I say I don't know the repertoriation for man pikin where the nago man it don't plenty. So man me tell me Sunday say so woman to be there for equator way it the nari massa. But that kind of man go complain because they go to say massa woman they nag you. But now it's go for caution violence. Now the question that no violence where they come on for woman is wrong. Violence where they come on for man pikin is wrong. And then violence is there for different type. Physical violence day. Psychological violence day. So they talk when you talk for man, bram, send it talk. Now also violence that. So must take care. Now, problem happen with the couple. The man pikin, what he do? When you see the man with the picture, you say, go no say the man fi be na some kind of wuru man. He throw away petrol, funge, for human skin, light fire. Wait if he really, massa, you throw away funge for young guy's skin. Saute, you light fire. May burn all. Then you say Nnanga, massa. Una change attitude. That one not fine. Countryman, countrywoman. Another thing happen for we for you. Cameroon and artists then clash for social media. It don't go be for we a passive understanding for people. Malox against Kosi. Collins. Now what did happen? Malox don't enter studio singing own. The one they don't go to cut so except for Kosi singing own. People that cut Malox the song say the song no waka fine. Say no for rap. Say no nonsense. This and that. But the matter way they. What we want talk am. Now wait see countryman, countrywoman. Now the fact say Malox the enter the matter enter even Kosi mami. Enter Kosi mami. Una dey do una thing them. Una mami they no dey. Una mami they no invite una. Mo una begi me una clash. Una dey coach una mami. Coach mami for some person. Seriously. Malox just say be some expert for that one, eh? Small bam, me don't coach mami in woman skin. Small bam, me don't coach your mami in woman skin. Small bam, me don't coach your mami in woman skin. Now so the thing continue. When you lack argument for querying and all that, leave mami aside. Tackle the matter with Kosi. Kosi too, if he enter palaba mami, he for leave him aside, una tackle una matter. Then how can query one at the query so? Even woman then now so for the era now they don't query that way. Bra the one go talk to my woman, the other woman enter, the other woman no go enter. Go see woman say no there for that one. Malox woman, Dorian, it enter for the matter. But una leave mami them. Una leave mami them outside that una stupidity. Mami they know how tell una say una begin talk nonsense and then una go put them inside. No money mami. Go see mami never tell Kosi say make clash with the Malox. Malox mami never tell Malox say maybe get clash with the Kosi countryman. So now so the thing day. Tori ide. We go for that side for Gabon. What happen for Gabon? Countryman, countrywoman. Now they release for former first lady. The movie for last Friday that will come up for ya. The movie for ngatta. In Jaka. They be don't lock them since so they be move their papa Ali Ben Bongo Ondimba for power. Ali Ben Bongo he be come up for power. Because if papa don't stay plenty, you two come for gas stay plenty, he is sick, he wants to be president, you know where, wait for talk say for public no day, but he wants to be president. That Olenginge Madon movie, he don't go organize his own election, he talks say don't win him, so now he be president for Gabon. So Sivan Bongo and Nureddin Bongo, they don't free them for last Friday. They don't go meet up their papa, Nureddin, don't meet up your papa. And then Siva don't meet a massa for house where they stay there. For house where massa will stay there. And then that has been under tight security. They call her for France, c'est résidence surveillée. Les surveillations de résidence. That's what they think they be not accusing for plenty matter. Una know say that coup d'etat will happen for Gabon. Now for the night for 29 on 30th August 2023. So if you look at now, so small time, it will be 2 years where Olenginge Maron take power for that side. Now, he don't be in an Oga Kwata, he don't win the election we organize them. So, na so he did for that side for Gabon. The news, na so it na say Nureddin, don't come out from ngatta, and you know, come out you are, he come out with the reme. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Now, once more knock the Tori, we go knock the Tori. As the pass away, it go pass. For we go hear the Tori in the waka. And so the Tori the waka for play way. When una like am. When una no like am, we try for modify am. Make reach for play way. Una go like am. So na so the Tori day. Countryman, countrywoman. Me una kuna small Tori for Ndamba. Weti pass for Palabandamba na se weti. Na se Real de Madrid He lost 3-4 against FC Barcelona. When Real Madrid they open score for match, bam 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 bam, à la Madrid, à la Madrid, ton petit à la Madrid, Ambunja Tugudum. Another number 2 Bunja Tugudum. As they make that Tugudum so one time, they make Tugudum 2 times. These people they call them say Barcelona them. For the 19 minutes, they say when I win 2-0, we go try our own. They try. Eric he score the first goal for Barcelona. And then for the 32nd minute, Yamal in Nakam in Bunja 2-2. For the 34th minute, Rafinha bam 3-2. And then for the 45 minute, Rafinha again bam Ibina 4-2. Now for second half, where they play. Bang bam. Una not saying that man sense no. Bam bam bam. Take him dribble him. Boom. Turn him so. Make him so. Pap. Bam. Before you want look at so, now we Kylian Mbappé for the 70th minute for play in Bunja. Goal. That's what they talk about as Spanish for Panya talk. They talk as for Panya talk. Kylian Mbappé is scored on 3 goals for that match where it take place over the weekend. So at the end of the day, what happen, countryman. Now Barcelona a win. Barcelona win 4-3. But Kylian Mbappé now, also know he don't turn now the best goal scorer for Spain because he don't pass Lewandowski. He did 25 goals now. And then for his first season, Kylian Mbappé, he don't go up, so they go past place. He don't score 38 goals. So before no person we don't score that number of goals then. And so they say, congratulations, Kylian Mbappé. You be Bondi boy for France and you be J Ballet boy. Oh, aha. I don't put my own for sing my own mutumbo. May go the way it go. Countrywoman. As you look and so the thing go for the way the thing go. Kunde Malong. Now his name. Inga, he don't put, he became Biok. Nnanga became Biok now. He says can snap them Biok for Inga. He put them for line in Inga. Now so them Biok, if for the way we be, we'll see him. And then will be the thing say, it will take time for you for move that Njaka way inside. Ibele. May know the announcement, if you just give you and say, na so Njaka will come out. Now so it happen, countrywoman, Njaka no come out. So Kunde Malong, it be papa. Ata Kunde Malong, a 7-year young papa. Welcome for the club. So Kunde Malong is a woman. They glad they don't burn their face pikin. Now small girl pikin. They don't the picture they publish they hide face for the small girl pikin. They don't want them malamangulungwete for their palaba their pikin. Now so they think they countrywoman. And another thing where we must know, now say Mr. Bodo, we be been a consultant for football. He be the defend Fikafood, tooth and nail. Defend Fikafood seriously, and president for Fikafood, Idon Kwara. Mr. Fabian Bodo, Kwara so now some weeks back. So now over the weekend now they organize the burial for Mr. Fabian Bodo, and then Fikafood vice president Celine Eko Ebidede now he represent Fikafood president Samuel Etofis. The team they work for the way the team they work. We see a good number of journalists Fikafood workers Chutam Bernard Etubidede. I think I see some picture for Lucien Metomo and the others then where they go accompany Fabian Bodo for his last journey on earth. So Fabian Bodo don't go. When you think of you, think about your family. We say peace and love. Now so the thing they countryman, country woman. Another story where they now say result them for MTN Elite One match the way they play over the weekend. They don't come out partially. But the important information where they about now say Atina us in Victoria United 4-2 or 4-2 or 4-1. And then you see that paper now from my corner. But Victoria United lost. And then No, na as lost against us, yes, as they say Colombe de Garoua, as 1-0. Now instead as lost against Colombe. Sorry, I got to Victoria United. Against Colombe, now 1-0. So Colombe for Sang Malima, Colombe for Jai Lobo, it go before. If you man no look on now, so small time, Colombe, you don't already show see Colombe been on the first team, if you come out champion for Cameroon this season. Because the way they play go, after they win Cameroon Cup, they go. Before. All the players, even the supporter them, the club president, then they know they play with the Cologne kind organization. So they organize Cologne well. Player them, supporter them. Now one of the club the way they be very well organized. So we just pray Seme continue so for a long time. Because we continue so for a long time, Cologne he go write his own good story for Palaba Ndamba for Cameroon. I talk now about the 21st day for play. The 21st day for play against Astro for Douala, and they don't go. So very soon, I see the announce I see na Colombe for Sangwalima be champion for M10 Elite 1. We get to Dynamo for Douala, we win 4-2. And Dynamo is no be us. Dynamo win Victoria United 4-2. So the team they go. Who they score the goal? You get Junior Zemenge who score. You get Junior Menge who score for Opopo. He scored 2 goals. And then for that side for Dynamo, you get Minlo who scored 3 goals. And then Florent Batum. Bomba job that the name for Dynamo. Florent Batum. Now he scored the 3 goals and Milo scored 1 goal. Now that's the team worker. So Florent Batum he scored 3 goals for Dynamo, and then Milo scored the 1 goal. And then for Victoria United, Gino Zemenge he scored the number 2. He scored 2 goals. Countryman. Now so the thing will be for the play we did in Nassau. But before one go give una tori for Mutumbu people. We don't tell you now. Say last week, Friday, be na dewe sandrine Nnanga. It be one knock Mutumbu. I knock the Mutumbu. Sandrine Nnanga knock Mutumbu. They play be flop. Flop saute go pass. That means say sold out. All ticket them, they be buy them. And then all space them, it be flop. So congratulations for Sandrine Nnanga for his concert. Sandrine no be then a one. Professional dancing group be accompany for France. And then local where you do some collaboration with ye, it be there for France for accompany Sandrine Nnanga. No be only local. Even Charlotte the Panda come. When I see picture of a backstage with Charlotte the Panda where Ika accompany his small sister. His small jaka we don't come accompany for give courage for say you don't know how the thing pass the way the thing pass. I did with you, we did together. So it passed the way it passed, and then it passed fine. So we talk say congratulations for who? For Sandrine Nnanga. We knock better Mutumbu the team pass one. We just hope say Sandrine Nnanga go organize another one. I don't forget we talk about Bendeka. Bendeka to be there. Bendeka way Sandrine Nnanga be supporting on the foot for Olympia Bruno Cocatrice. For his show, where he pass well, it be between a sold out, all ticket and buy them, place flop. Sandrine Nnanga, they buy all ticket, place flop. So Bendeka, he can support he pikin Sandrine Nnanga. Loco support his sister Sandrine Nnanga. Charlotte the Panda, he to come there, he support Sandrine Nnanga. So now so the thing the way they how we pass, we it be pass. Now for here, we will end the program, countryman. And